The clients in my personal injury cases regularly come in with questions about how they should select their lawyer. There are a number of resources you can go to. The Florida Bar has something on their website about how to pick an attorney. But what you're going to see is you want to look to the attorney's background, training, qualification, and achievements. In the personal injury field, it becomes very important because the lawyer's level of experience and actual results in trial are going to impact how seriously the defense takes you. Insurance carriers and large corporations know who the good lawyers are and who the ones are that actually go to trial and have gotten great results. At our firm, we've had some of the top results in the nation, not only Florida, but in the nation. Achieving the largest medical malpractice verdict in the nation in 2012, which is considered a complex personal injury case, and the third largest personal injury verdict in the nation in 2012. We've had top 100 verdicts on multiple occasions at this firm. So you want to look to the results of the firm, and most law firms now have websites where you can look at some of their results. Board certification is one of the things you want to look for, and board certification is both a state and national standard where a lawyer has to go through a process of submitting a list of their trials, trials that have been tried through to verdict, and they have to meet a certain minimum number of trials in the specific area that's being looked at. Judges are interviewed, lawyers they've been up against are interviewed, and they have to then pass a written test, and you have to accomplish all of that to get your board certification. So a lawyer that is board certified has those recognitions and have been vetted through a bar committee. In addition to that, there are accolades even over and above that. You want to look for Best Lawyers in America. That's a national vetting organization. And then there are organizations that truly look for the cream of the crop. ABOTA is one organization that is both plaintiff and defense lawyers. You have to have tried a minimum number of trials to even be considered, and then you're voted on by the membership, meaning the top people in the field in that area are deciding who becomes a member. There's a similar process for the International Academy of Trial Lawyers, the American College of Trial Lawyers, and the International Barristers Society. And all three of those organizations are considered the truly elite for the nation. Typically, they're very limited in who they take, 10, 15, 20 lawyers from each state. And the lawyers are segregated into commercial litigation, defense litigation, or plaintiff's litigation. And so the group of lawyers that are in those organizations are considered truly the elite for the state. In looking at the best lawyers in America, there are some things you want to look for. A Tier 1 rating is considered the top rating awarded by Best Lawyers in America, and it is something that is voted on by people throughout the region, lawyers, judges, and others. And the Tier 1 rating means that law firm has been rated as one of the top firms in the region in that area of practice. So our firm has a Tier 1 rating in both personal injury and medical malpractice, which covers the fields of personal injury law. You also want to look for lawyers who have even achievements above that. At our firm, I've been selected as the top lawyer in the field for both personal injury and medical malpractice, which are two different fields and best lawyers, multiple times over the last decade for this region.